Ready, Jimmy? You light your phone on fire.
Oh yeah, it burned.
Oh, it burned.
Oh, it's burning.
Oh my god.
Drop it.
It's like a melted marshmallow. I think you had a little bit too much alcohol and cotton balls there, right? Too many cotton balls.
Broke it?
We'll just let it burn. Let it burn for a while.
Dina's gonna burn the wood,
These
right?
fumes aren't noxious at all.
You planning on keeping that frame? Because you're gonna lose it in a second.
Yeah, that's okay. We're fine with that.
I'm not using it the second time, so anyway. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
campfire. What are you doing, campfire?
Oh yeah.
Let's sing the campfire guys are good.
Let's gather around the campfire and say a campfire song.
Get some marshmallows.
Nathan, join our campfire. You guys,
He likes
join.
such a hobo. You know what?
No, dude, what are you doing?
So I'm gonna put it out. It's alcohol.
Dude, stop doing that. It's not so bad.
Come on.
Let's gather around the campfire. Burn it.
No, not yet.
No, not yet.
No.
Let's feed the flames. If I'm not doing anything, it's
I know. I wonder,
You
guys.
have to cover it. Okay. Oh shit. It's still burning.
You're burning the thing.
Damn.
Yeah, I did. It started burning at the sides. Oh.
Your hands
Oh,
burn.
it didn't work.
No, it's not warm. Put the chair on.
Okay. Good job.
Okay, bonfire game.
I see it. And,